See this photo? Zoom in. Now, see that person in the back doing the wrong dance move? The one who looks really proud of herself? Well, that's me in dance class, my favorite dance class. I shared this photo on Instagram because it's exactly what these classes are all about. It's about being there with your friends and being supported by a community of people who do not judge you, whether you're perfect or whether you're not. There is a reason that these classes are so unique.
2, 4, punch, punch, 3, 5.
RSVP 33 was started in 2014 by Sachi and Roman after Sachi's teenage sister died suddenly.
What started off as escapism for me in the form of the dance class has built this positive momentum and this positive energy that's rippled through our community.
In our short documentary, we're going to see how these two have built dance classes across Canada and built supportive communities at the same time. And it's all been in tribute to Sachi's younger sister, Chantal.